How to add Mailchimp to your Wix account. Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to add Mailchimp to your Wix account. So let's get started. So first of all, open browser and type mailchimp.com and sign up for using Mailchimp. And after initial sign up, this is our dashboard, and on the left go to audience and then sign up forms, and then select embed forms, and this is the sign up form that we are going to use. And if you want to add more fields to this form, then you can simply do that from here. And now I'm going to click continue, and our form is ready. So now copy the code and head back to your my site in Wix, and now create new site. And after that, choose from any of these templates, and if you don't want to design any of this template, then you can also use blank templates from here. So right now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose this one, and I'll click on edit. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. So I wanted to take a quick moment to share some tools which we use to create videos and website for our online presence. We are using these tools for several months now, and it has made our life so much easier, and we know it will do the same for you. The best part is, if you go through our links, you will get a special discount as well. Therefore, please check those products and links in the description of this video. Now it's time to add form to our website. So here we are inside our editor, and on our left click on add, and then embed code and embed HTML, and click on this plus sign over here. And then enter code. Paste the code that we have copied from Mailchimp, and then update, and then stretch the form with these dots. So now our website is ready to publish, but before I'm going to preview it, and this is how it looks on a desktop orientation. So now I'll click to publish. So this is how easy it is to add your Mailchimp form into Wix website. You just have to copy the code from Mailchimp and paste it into Wix.